This is really good for people who have issues with their feet, issues with their back, all of those things, because the type of shoes that you wear has a lot to do sometimes with different ailments that you're having in your body. Hey YouTube, my name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for You, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So in today's video, I have a sneaker unboxing and review for you guys, so stay tuned. So let's get into it. So I was sent these sneakers by Fitville to review for you all, and I'm so excited to share them with you. And before we do the unboxing, I'll tell you a little bit about Fitville. The good thing about Fitville is that they're very conscious about foot health. So these sneakers are designed to be comfortable for people who have issues with feet, like bunions, arthritis. They're also great for people who do sports and are prone to injuries or want to prevent injuries. So that's the really good part about it. I'm a dancer, so I know I need a good dance shoe when I'm dancing to protect my ankles. What's really awesome about Fitville is that they come in wide and they come in extra wide. For those of you who have wide feet, you need a little bit of extra room for your feet. Fitville is going to be your sneaker. Fitville has a wide variety of styles and colors to choose from, and what's so awesome about this company as well is that they have stuff for youthful people and the more mature population, which is awesome because I know my mom, she has wide feet. She also has issues with bunions, so she's always looking for sneakers that are wide, that are comfortable for her to walk in, that won't hurt her feet and that won't squeeze her feet too tight. So they come in the box like this, and it says Fitville. Now I got a size 7.5. And they're wide. I don't believe they have narrow. I don't have wide feet, so I don't have those issues. But again, I'm always looking for a sneaker that's comfortable, that provides ankle support, because I do a lot of walking. I live in New York City, and also, like I told you, I take dance class, and more recently I've been working out. Yes, your girl has been working out, so I need some workout shoes. The box says free your toes. Like I said, they're wide so that your toes can have room in them. So let's see what these Fitville sneakers are all about. So these are the women's Rebound core shoes. These are the ones that I chose because you all know that I'm stylish and I like a little bit of color to my wardrobe. So I decided to choose purple, and I like the way this has the lime green with it and the gray and white. So this is what the shoe is looking like. It has the purple here. This is the front, the toe portion there. This is what the side is looking like, and it has the logo right here, that F. And in the back, it says Fitville. Underneath, this is what it's looking like. And on the tongue part here, it says the logo Fitville. So these are really stylish. At first, I wasn't sure if I was gonna find something that I would like on the site, but I kept looking, and they do have a little bit of everything for everyone. Like if you're more simple and you don't like color, they have solids. If you like a little bit more style like I do, they have these stylish ones. Aren't they cute? And they match what I have on. I'm gonna try them on for you so that you can see how they look on my feet. When I wore these on Instagram and did my videos, people really love these sneakers. Now, if you're not following me on Instagram, I don't know what you're doing. My Instagram is right here, Kharyzma for You Style. Check it out for all my daily outfit of the day videos, and that's where I usually post all of my review videos. So let's try these on and let me show you how they look. So they have this inside to protect them, and these are the laces Now, I usually wear anywhere between a 7 and a 7.5. These were a 7.5. I didn't know how they were running, so I decided to go with the 7.5, and they fit really, really well. I don't want to move the camera, so I'm gonna put my feet up here so you can see me try them on. Yes, 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 and I got my nails done. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see my nail vlog. So yeah, these are them on me. And I'm gonna go in front of the mirror in a minute. I just wanna show you how easy they are to put on. And the 7.5 for me has room in the front, like right here. My toes do have a lot of room, but again, to be on the fair side, I don't have wide feet, so I maybe could have gone with the 7 as well, because I do feel a lot of room. Probably I could have gone with the 7. So let me show you how they look. These are what they are looking like on my feet, and I'm gonna insert a clip of me wearing them, working out and dancing in the yoga room in my building. You're gonna see how nice they look. These are super comfortable, super wide, and super cute. These are very, very stylish. I love them. I love the color purple, and I love the way it has that contrasting green right there. This is so my style. So I wore it with my Halara joggers and my Halara purple top, which I really, 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 really love. That's what it's looking like, and I love it. Purple OOTD outfit of the day. So here's a little bit more info about them on their website. Their website is thefitville.com, and these are the ones that I chose. These are my sneakers, the women's Rebound core shoes. And it says it provides all-day comfort, excellent shock support, memory foam pad, removable insoles, anti-pronation heel ring, maximum support for your entire body. So again, this is really good for people who have issues with their feet, issues with their back, all of those things, because the type of shoes that you wear has a lot to do sometimes with different ailments that you're having in your body. They are really, really great to help prevent injuries. They're slip resistant, wide toe box and high instep, foot pain relief. So if you're suffering from any type of foot pain, they help to protect, like if you have heel bone issues or any of these other foot issues, this will definitely help you. So again, they have wide and extra wide arch support, all sorts of things. And this is $79 for these sneakers, which is not bad. You guys know how much sneakers cost, especially a good sneaker. I have a discount code for you all. If you use my code right here, Kharyzma28, you're gonna get 28% off of your pair of Fitville sneakers. That's a lot of money. That's a huge savings. So definitely go to the website and check it out. I love these. I cannot wait to wear them in dance. And they are super, super cute. So let me know what you think about these. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have foot problems and you've been looking for a sneaker that is extra wide or provides extra support or anything like that. Let me know in the comments. I will help you out. I got you. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram, Kharyzma for You Style. All my info will be in the description. All of the info about Fitville will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all.